Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast that helps you learn practical English fast. Today, we're talking about an important news story. A child has died in Texas from measles.
Yes, this is really sad news. The child was not vaccinated. And this is the first measles death in the US since 2015.
Before we go into details, let's explain some important words. First, vaccinated. To be vaccinated means to get a shot or injection that protects you from a disease.
Right. For example, when you get a flu shot, you are vaccinated against the flu. Another example is the COVID-19 vaccine. Many people got that to protect themselves from the virus.
Good examples. Now, the word outbreak. This means when a disease spreads quickly to many people in a short time.
Yes, think about a cold spreading in a school. If many students get sick in 1 week, that is an outbreak. Another example is when COVID-19 cases started rising very fast in 2020.
That's right. And this outbreak of measles in Texas started late last month. Measles is a disease that spreads easily, especially among people who are not vaccinated.
Measles is very dangerous. It causes a high fever, rash, and can even lead to serious problems like brain infection.
That brings us to since 2015. The news says this is the first measles death in the US since 2015. Since means from a past time until now.
For example, if you say, I have lived in this city since 2020, it means you moved here in 2020 and are still living here today. Another example, she has been my best friend since childhood.
Great. Now let's talk about the Texas Department of State Health Services. This is the official group in Texas that manages public health.
Yes, this department gives information about diseases, gives health advice, and helps people stay safe. It's like a big health guide for the state.
It's so unfortunate that this child was not vaccinated. Vaccines help stop diseases from spreading.
That's why doctors recommend vaccines. They protect individuals and also help the whole community.
That's a good point. When most people are vaccinated, even those who can't get the vaccine, like babies or people with weak immune systems, are also protected.
But when people don't get vaccinated, diseases can spread again, like in this measles outbreak.
Exactly. Before we finish, let's do a quick recap. We talked about vaccinated, which means getting a shot to protect from diseases. Outbreak, which is when a disease spreads quickly. And since, which means from a time in the past until now.
And we also learned about the Texas Department of State Health Services, which manages public health.
Right? So, in simple words, this news is about a child in Texas who didn't get the measles vaccine and sadly passed away. This is the first measles death in the US since 2015, and health officials are concerned about the outbreak.
We hope today's episode helped you understand the news and learn new English words.
Keep practicing your English and stay healthy. Have a great day.